Good morning guys. Right now I'm in a town called Livorno and today we're heading up to see one of the most iconic buildings in all of Italy. Today we're heading up to Pisa. So I just got off the train from Livorno to Pisa Central and I'm walking up to the tower. Only about a 20-minute walk from the train station up to the tower, so it's not too bad. But while I'm here as well, I kind of want to see more than just the tower, because I really do think there's probably more to Pisa than just going seeing the tower and coming back again. Here she is! Like, I thought it would be only like a slight slant, but that's proper lean right over. That's cool. So the Leaning Tower of Pisa is actually a bell tower. It was constructed in 1173 and basically it just started leaning on its own. Nobody really knows why. Apparently it moves every year by a millimetre as well. It leans further and further as time goes on, which I think is really cool. So I just paid about €3 to come and walk along these, like, I think they're medieval walls. I'm going to find out more about them. But it was only €3, so might as well do it. And wow, yeah, the views are definitely worth it. There's also a little market just in front of the entrance into the tower if you want to pick up any cheap little souvenirs, things like that. So I'm just following along this wall here and it just keeps going. Like, the tower is like way back there. I don't even know how far. I must be on this for about 10 minutes now and still going. I'm gonna see where this ends up anyway, and if it's nothing good then I'll just turn around and go back. So this is the map of the route. So I started here, that's where the tower and the Duomo and all that is. I think I'm probably somewhere like here, and there's still another bit to go to get to the river. But yeah, we just keep going. So I decided to come back the same way I came on these walls. Now, I really like walking on these walls, don't get me wrong. The end kind of just leads you off with some street and my phone battery isn't that great. I don't want to waste it on Google Maps trying to find my way back towards the train station, because it did seem like quite a far distance from here to the train station. So I thought I'd come back the same way to go back to the tower, get something to eat and keep looking around. You can visit the inside of the tower if you wanted to as well and climb up to the top. So if you wanted to do the tower on its own, it's about €20 for the ticket, or if you want to visit all the buildings in the surrounding area and including the tower, the ticket is €27 and that covers everything. Hi everyone, I'm back in my accommodation in Livorno. So I had a really nice time in Pisa. Unfortunately I didn't get as long as I had hoped, but it's definitely well worth the visit. It's kind of one of those iconic cities that you have to see while you're in Italy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by leaving a like or a comment down below. I really do appreciate any feedback you can give me, because I'm kind of experimenting and trying out different things with the videos. So if you are enjoying, let me know down below. I'm also on social media as well. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. So I have to repack and reorganize to do it all over again tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm heading to Rome. Kind of one of those cities I was really looking forward to on this trip as well, and I cannot wait to get there. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye. Next time on Travel Bugby. Let's go to Rome. It was breakfast today. Heading towards the Colosseum. And oh, it's right there.